Now, you may find whilst you're composing, you're coming up with all these ideas and you might not want to use every single one of them in the composition you're working on at that given moment. But that doesn't mean that you have to throw away all of the cool ideas and sketches that you've come up with. And Ableton lets you do something that's really, really cool, which I'm going to show you now, which is save clips. So say, for instance, remember here we have the original drum beats that we created, and we have our impulse here with our drum bus and the delay, and you have your own instruments that you made with the customized effects and stuff. Now, what you can do is you can say, I like this beat and I think I'm going to use it on another track that I have. You can just go to your user library, go to clips, and then let's just say you want to use this intro. You can just drag your clip into the folder, and now you can see it's called exactly what it's called here. I just dragged that out so you can read the whole thing. So make sure if you want to do this that you name your clips appropriately so you can understand what they are. And the way you name them is just by clicking on the clip, pushing Command R, and now you can type in whatever you like. And if I was to drag this over here now, you'll see it has this name right here. So let me just get rid of that, move to trash, undo. So now I have everything back to the way it was. Yeah, and now not only will you gain the MIDI information that you have in the MIDI clip, but if I drag this over here, you'll see not only do I have the MIDI information, but it has also given me the entire device chain, which is amazing, because before, if you would do something like this, it would save the MIDI information. So then you'd have to load in the MIDI information and then load in all of your devices. This way, it's actually loading in the MIDI information combined with the device chain that the music was made on. Yeah, this is actually a really, really great way of just collecting ideas for later use. Or if you have a track, like I said, where you're not using specific things, but you want to use them at a later date, just drag the clip over and save it in whatever folder you like. You don't have to save it in this folder. It's just handy to have your stuff in here because that way you can find it really quickly. My challenge here is go into your track so far, the one that you've just made, and if you find anything in there that you think could be useful at a later date, just save it into a folder. Save it anyway, even if you're not going to use it, just to practice what it feels like to save a clip, and then maybe open up a new file with nothing in it and drag it over and just be amazed at how you now have the MIDI information combined with all of the devices and the instruments, the effects, everything all in one go. Just drag it in and you're ready to go. Have fun with that. And in the next lesson, we're going to start looking at recording audio and using it in Ableton Live.